Hello students, how are you? I hope you're fine. So we are back on your favorite learning platform, Learn Forward, and we are going to study from Feather Cap, People and Places. This is class 2, chapter number 17, Places in the Neighborhood. So, as we know that there are a lot of places near our neighborhood. In the neighborhood, we have markets, we have chemist shop, we have grocer shop, green grocer shops, or florist shop, bakery. So, to fulfill our basic needs, we go to market to get some things, right? You want to get stationery, you go to the stationery shop to get your rubber, pencils, anything which you need. So these are some little places which are in our neighborhood. So a lot of shops becomes a market. जब बहुत सारी shops यहाँ पे एक जगह पे होती है, that is known as your market. So we have markets in our neighborhood, hospitals, a lot of things also there. So in this chapter, we are going to study about those things only. So I hope you are all ready with your books. Let's start now. There are many important places in our neighborhood. So there are a lot of places in our neighborhood, many important places from which we cater our daily needs. We visit these places for different purposes. हम इन जगहों पे अपने अलग अलग पर्पस को पूरा करने के लिए we visit there. Let us learn about few of them. So some of them is your market. First is your market. We buy things from the market. Many shops together form a market. मार्केट से हम बहुत सारी चीजें खरीदते हैं, बहुत सारी शॉप्स मिलके एक मार्केट बनाती हैं. These shops sell articles of daily use. The things which we need in our daily use are sold in these markets. We get the things of daily use from these markets only. We go to market to buy fresh vegetables every day. So you ask your parents what do they get from your daily market uses, from market for your daily uses. They go to buy fresh vegetables. They purchase fresh milk from the dairy, and they also go to confectioner to get some sweets, milk, curd, cream and butter. So these are some things for which confectioner sells. You also get your chips and chocolates from confectioner. The baker sells biscuits and breads. So what does baker sell? It sells biscuits and breads. Now we buy toys, ice cream, shoes and clothes for the market. So if you want to get anything, what do? You go to markets with your parents to get any of these. Now what is a mall? A mall is a large building with many stores selling different things. एक mall बड़ी सी building होती है जिसके अंदर अलग अलग दुकानें होती हैं जो अलग अलग articles बेच रही होती हैं. It also has restaurant. A mall has a restaurant, multiplex cinema where you can watch movies on a big screen. It also had game zones and entertainment. Now, post office. So every area has post office. Some of our relatives and friends live in another town. So there are people, your relatives, your friends who might be living in your another town, not in the same town where you live. So हम उनसे कैसे communicate करते हैं? We send and receive letter from them through the post office. So उनसे communicate करने के लिए, उनसे बात करने के लिए, उनको कुछ भेजने के लिए, what do? We send letters and we receive letters from the post office. Now, first we buy postcard, inland letter or special envelope from the post office. So to send a letter, what do? You buy a postcard, you buy inland letter or it can be a special envelope from the post office. We use these to write and send messages by post. इसके ऊपर हम मैसेज लिखते हैं और पोस्ट के थ्रू उसे भेजते हैं. We put letters into a letter box. This is painted red. So we put letters in these kind of letter box. It is red in color. The postman takes them to the post office. So इन letters को फिर postman अपने पास post office तक लेके जाते हैं. The letters are stamped and sorted out city wise. So हर letter को अलग किया जाता है. जो एक cities के letter है उन्हें city wise अलग किया जाता है. Suppose दिल्ली के अलग, मुंबई के अलग या पुणे के अलग, सबको अलग अलग किया जाता है और उस पर stamping की जाती है. They are sent to the post office of their addresses. So उस जगह के उस particular city के post office में इन letters को भेजा जाता है. Then the postman deliver the letters to each addressee. So the letters are then delivered by the postman at your doorsteps. We can send things by a parcel and money by money order. So we can also send by parcel or money by money orders. अगर आपको चीजें भेजनी है, you can send it as a parcel, and if you want to send money, you can send it by the money order. Now we can send urgent messages through telegram. So if there is urgent message, you can send it through telegram. We can also deposit money in the post office. So sometimes people also deposit money in the post office, and the post office also acts like a bank. As we know that we deposit money in the bank, but sometimes money is also deposited in the post office and it acts like a bank. Now हॉस्पिटल एंड क्लिनिक, वी गो टू हॉस्पिटल और क्लिनिक व्हेन वी आर, जब हम बीमार होते हैं हम हॉस्पिटल या क्लिनिक के पास जाते हैं. द डॉक्टर्स चेक अस एंड गिव मेडिसिन, और वहाँ पे डॉक्टर्स हमें चेक करते हैं, दे ट्रीट अस, दे गिव अस मेडिसिन. Nurses look after the indoor patients. So the patients which are admitted in the hospital, nurses looks after them. Second is your police station. Next is your police station. There are policemen to help us at a police station. So the policemen help us at the police station. They patrol on the roads and catch the thieves. So you might have seen the patrol bikes or the patrol cars of the policemen जो रात को घूमते हैं basically. So they can catch the robbers and the thieves. They guard and save us from the thieves and robbers. So ये क्या करते हैं, हमें बचाते हैं, हमें सेव करते हैं from the thieves and robbers. Some policemen keep trained dogs to search thieves. So there are a lot of policemen you can see in the internet that the policeman keeps the trained dogs. Dogs को trained किया जाता है. There are certain breeds of dogs which are trained, which helps the policemen to catch the thieves. The traffic police controls the traffic. So the traffic police there controls the traffic on the roads. Now next is the fire station. Sometimes a house, building or factory catches fire. कभी कभी किसी घर में, फैक्ट्री में या फिर किसी शॉप में कहीं भी आग लग जाती है. We call fire brigade from the fire station. So whom do we call? We call fire brigade. Fireman comes in a red colored fire engine. जो fire brigade होते हैं वो किस में आते हैं? They comes in a red color की fire engine में. Bells of the fire engine ring loudly to warn people to give way. So इस तरह की रेड कार होती है बेसिकली. इसके अंदर ये बड़े बड़े हॉर्न्स बजा के सायरन होता है जो बेसिकली फायर फाइटर्स का होता है, फायर इंजन का होता है. ये क्या वार्न करता है लोगों को कि जो लोग आगे चल रहे हैं, सो दैट दे कैन गिव द वे टू द फायर इंजन. They use ladders and log water pipes to save people and put out fire. So बड़ी बड़ी ladders को use करके और बड़ी बड़ी water pipes use करके they help the people and they save the life of the people to put out the fire. They wear helmets to keep their heads safe, and to keep them safe, what do they wear? They wear helmets on their heads. Now classroom activity, join the items to the correct shop. So this is a bouquet. Where can you get the bouquet? We can get the bouquet at the florist shop. This is stationery. We get stationery from the stationer. This is your things which you use in your daily use, and we get it from the grocer. Now this is green vegetables. We get it from the green grocer. This is medicines. We get medicines from the chemist. And this is your breads and butter. We get it from the bakery. Now next, assess yourself. First, tick the correct answer. Many shops together form a dash. Many shops together form a market. Ishan has lost his bicycle. Where should he go? So if you lost anything, we should go to the police station to report about it. Third, who puts out fire and save people? So fireman puts out fire and save people. Firemen come in a dash colored fire engine. So firemen come in a red colored fire engine. Now fill in the blanks with the given words. These are the words which you have to use in these blanks. The traffic dash controls the traffic. The traffic police controls the traffic. Now second, we receive letters from our friends through the dash from the post office. Second is your post office. Now third, hospitals have dash and dash. Hospitals have dash and nurses. Hospitals have doctors and nurses. Firemen come in red colored fire dash, fire engine. Now last, firemen wear dash to protect their head safe. Firemen wear helmets to protect their head. Now, which places should these children go to? First, Madhuri wants to send a money order, so she can send it through the money. Order can be sent through the parcel, by parcel and money. Now, there is a fire in Roshan's colony, so he should call the Fire station. Third, Kamal has hurt his leg while playing, so he should go to doctor. Answer the following questions. First, from where do we buy things we need? So we get our things which we need, we buy it from the market. So first answer is your market. Second, name 3 things you like to buy in a market. So you can write the name of the 3 things which you get from the market for yourself. Third, how do firemen save people? So the firemen use ladders and long water pipes to save people and put out fires. So this is your answer number 3. They use ladders and long water pipes to save people and put out fire. Now question number 4. What do policemen do on the roads? So the policeman controls the traffic. The traffic police controls the traffic on the road, and they also guard and save us from the robbers. So this is your answer number 5th. So that's your answer number 4. Sorry, this is answer number 4. You can write these 2 points in answer number 4. So we have completed the chapter. I hope you have no any problem. You can watch the video again if you have problem. Thank you so much. Happy learning.